Hello there, Zanna James here with your weather, and this is Category 5 Hurricane Melissa, sitting just south of Jamaica and still moving very slowly, around 5 kilometers per hour. Now, the concern isn't only that Melissa has reached that Category 5 status, which is the highest on the scale, but it is so slow moving. That means the island will face prolonged periods of heavy rainfall and powerful winds, drastically increasing the duration and severity of those impacts. Now, we're talking about catastrophic winds, flash flooding, and numerous landslides, and that's not a word we use very lightly. So these could cut off vital resources like power, roadways, and also communication. And when we look at the path of Melissa itself, it remains on track to move slowly near Jamaica before eventually turning northward around this area here. But the concerns extend beyond the winds and rain. Storm surges are also a major threat when it comes to Melissa. Now, what exactly is a storm surge? Well, that happens when powerful winds push large amounts of ocean water onto the shore, causing sea levels to rise drastically. For Melissa, storm surges could get as high as 15 feet, meaning coastal waters could rise 15 feet above normal levels, leading to life-threatening coastal flooding as well. Jamaica remains under hurricane warning, meaning preparations should already be complete, with conditions expected to worsen within hours. Now, due to the refined path, eastern Cuba is also under a hurricane warning, with surrounding areas under tropical storm warnings. All coastal areas of Haiti are under a tropical storm warning as well, and much of Bahamas is also under hurricane watch. Now, all of these islands, but especially Jamaica, are on high alert tonight. And if you're tuning in from Jamaica or have family, friends, or loved ones in these areas, our prayers and thoughts are with you. Now, in a sharp contrast, the atmosphere over Trinidad and Tobago is relatively dry, so we enjoyed mostly sunny skies today, and tonight we'll follow not the exact same trend, but a similar trend. So expect partly cloudy skies with only a few brief showers and a low chance for thunderstorm activity, but that will mostly be for Tobago, and that will also be closer to the morning time. When it comes to our nighttime lows, we are looking around 24 degrees in Piaco and 26 degrees in Scarborough and Crown Point. Now, heading into Tuesday, we will see similar conditions, mostly sunny with brief partly cloudy periods and the chance for a few isolated showers, mainly between late morning and heading into the afternoon. Now, there is also a low to medium chance for a thunderstorm near hilly areas, but we will see those daytime highs coming in around 33 degrees. When it comes to Tobago, aside from some early morning showers like we spoke about earlier, the rest of the day will feature mostly hot and sunny conditions, but those chances of precipitations really low, 5% and 0%, and we could also see a daytime high of 32 degrees. When it comes to our seas, though, conditions remain moderate with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters in open waters and up to 1 meter in sheltered areas, which can occasionally become choppy. So if you're heading out on the water, be sure to maintain caution. And of course, spring tide ended on last Friday, so tidal levels have now returned. So here's a look at our high tide and low tide times for both Trinidad and Tobago. Now, that's all for your weather update. I am Zanna James. Have a safe and enjoyable evening ahead.